Hello everyone, this is Ozzy teacher. Welcome to my English tenses series. Today we are learning the present simple tense. We use it for daily routines and habit. We use the present simple for daily routines, habits and general facts.
Now let's look at positive sentences. For most subject, we use base form of the verb. I work, you work, we work, they work. Easy, right? But English says, wait a second. For he, she, and it, we add s, like he works, she works, it works. Just one small letter, but a very big mistake if you forget it. Let's see more examples. He plays football. She reads book. It rains a lot. Now, some real life examples. He eats pizza every day. Not healthy, but okay. She watches Netflix every night. Very realistic. So remember, he, she, it, add s. If you forget the s, your English sounds a little broken. Now, let's make a negative sentences. We use do not or don't. I don't work. You don't like coffee. Maybe you don't like coffee. I don't trust you. For he, she, and it, we use does not or doesn't. He doesn't work. She doesn't like tea. Important point. We do not add s to the verb here. Not he doesn't works. Correct? He doesn't work. One s is enough. English is lazy. Now let's make a question. We use do or does at the beginning. Do you work? Do they live here? Simple. For he, she, and it. Does he work? Does she like coffee? Be careful again. Not does he works. Correct? Does he work? English says I already have does, I don't need extra s. Let's talk about a real daily routine. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. Very important step. I go to work. I check my phone. We all do this too much. I watch TV. These are all present simple sentences because they happen every day. Let's practice. He work or he works. Correct answer, he works. She like or she likes. Correct answer, she likes. Now, a tricky one. They eats or they eat. Correct answer, they eat. No S here. Be careful. Not everything needs an S. Only he, she, it. Now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in the comments. For example, I wake up at 8. I drink coffee. I watch Netflix. Simple but powerful. Practice every day and your English will improve. This is Ozzy teacher. See you in the next lesson.